Welcome back. Now in this video, as you guys know already, we'll have the on price event right for this ad icon empty. So for now we will just go right at top above the widget build. We will create a method, okay, and then we will come back right in here and call upon that method, and you guys will just get that. So let us go above widget build above in here. We will simply give the name as choose image. Okay, now this will be asynchronous, so in here async, as you guys can see, curly braces, and take this down. In there we will have our X file. Okay, there we go, this regression, as you guys can see. Okay, then we will simply just create text file in here, in which we will just assign the image that the user will select. Okay, so now in here let's just assign. First we will say avid, and in here image picker, and then we say in here dot pick image. Okay, as I told you already. So now we will provide the source. The source is going to be image source, as you guys can see the suggestion in here, and then we will say simply get it from the gallery. Okay, write it and semicolon. So in here we will have set state, so it will just change the result dynamically, and the user will pick the image, and then right in here we will have to have that image that we just created right in the previous videos, if you guys remember, as a list. Okay, so in here we will say dot add, then we will simply add the file of image. In here let's provide the path, so in here we'll say file, and then in there we will say fixed file. Okay, and right in the fixed file, as you guys know already, what we assign this thing. So the user will pick the image from the gallery, and then it's gonna just assign that right to this fixed file, and in here we are just adding that, okay, with the image that we created earlier as a list, as you guys can see right in here. So there's going to be kind of multiple images that the user will select. So in here we just adding the path. Okay, now in here picked file, and then we say dot path, write it and semicolon. It's gonna one by one just add it right in the image that the user will select right on this specific screen, which is upload ad screen. Now we will simply just go down and write in the on press event. Okay, there we go. In here now we will do a little work, so we will say not uploading. Okay, it simply means that if uploading gonna be false, then what we will do, right in if, we will simply call upon the choose image method that we just created a while ago. Okay, if the uploading gonna be false, so in here it simply means that not uploading. Okay, not uploading. If that is going to be true, then we will just get the user toward the choose image. So that's why in here we call upon that choose method, and if uploading gonna be true, it simply means that if there's gonna be some kind of uploading, then we will do nothing. So in here we will have right in the else just null. Okay, that's fine. So now what we will do, we will simply go and how to load the app. Since we made a major change, so we have to how to load the app. Now let us go towards the upload ad screen in here. Now simply come here and click upon that ad icon. As you guys can see, it's working totally fine, and now we are in the gallery. You can simply choose images from here. I have only one picture right in the gallery. Later on I will download some images, so for now we will just test it with this image. Just click upon that and it will select, and boom, there we go, as you guys can see right in here. Now click back again again select it, and there we go with the second. Now again select, there we go with third one, fourth one, and that's its fifth. Okay, so you guys can see there is a multiple images that we just selected. Okay, and it's working totally fine. Now we will just hot reload the app in order to just remove that, because for now we just add the method successfully and it's working totally fine for now. Upload add screen, there we go. And right after this, right in the next video, we will be working right on this single child scroll view, as you guys know already, as I explained this in detail before. Okay, so right from the next video we will be working right in this widget, but before that we will create some methods that we're gonna need later on right in this single child scroll view and all of their work. So basically that's it for this video, and right from the next video we will be working right on this specific screen, which is upload add screen. So see ya.